Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Wednesday the 7th. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you're ready to learn some more math. We have a lot to do today, like always. So please have your brains ready, have your books ready, your notes ready, and let's get to work, okay? First of all, there will be a quiz on Monday, and of course, like usual, I will give you more information on that on Friday. At this time, please turn your homework in from yesterday. Now, some of you already turned it in, which is fine, but most of you did not. So this homework was given to you yesterday. Please turn that in now at this time. Stop and make sure your name is on it, please. Stop and make sure your name is on it. All right? And completes. Now, I gave you guys the assignment of doing test corrections, and I gave that to you on Friday, okay? And I'm not upset, but some of you did not turn that in. Cooper and Haley. Now, Haley, I know you were at the hospital, and congratulations to you guys. That's great. But just letting you know, guys, I would like these turned in by tomorrow, okay? And put that down beneath here. I would like these turned in by Thursday, or they're going to become a 0 unless you contact me, okay? And a couple of you turned yours in yesterday. So thanks for doing that. But Cooper and Haley, I did not get your test corrections, so please turn those in by tomorrow. Contact me if you have any questions, okay? All right, moving on. Today, we're going to take a quiz, and we're also going to take notes. The teaching video today is about the distance formula. Also, we're going to be learning some more geometry terms. Actually, to be honest, a lot of terms. So please be ready to take great notes and pay attention, okay? These terms are important. The teaching video is called More Terms and Distance Formula, and it's only about 25 minutes long. So I'm only asking you to take notes for about half the class period, okay? Now, Miss Carol, if the quiz goes longer than I anticipated and you don't finish the notes, that's fine. Just email me and let me know how much time you had left. Students, you do not have to finish the video at home tonight, okay? Okay, quick comment to Ethan Powell. He takes this class during 4th hour. Ethan, there are some papers in the folder that you need to get out, okay? So please, be sure and get those out today. There's some graded papers, okay? Try to check that every day if you would, please. Now, let me talk about your notes quizzes from yesterday. First of all, those that were absent on Friday or whatever, guys, remember that's never an excuse because you have one out to use. Email me. That's all you have to do. Mr. Earhart, I'm behind on this video or that video. Please understand that. No problem. But when I don't hear from you, you're responsible to take the notes quizzes and the regular quizzes and all of those things, okay? Having said that, though, I'm not making this up. I did this for track 2, and I'm going to do it for you guys. On their first notes quiz about a week and a half ago, I only counted the students that did well because it was the first one of the year, and I wanted them to get used to it. So I'm doing the same thing for you guys, okay? If you did not make a 100, I did not count the quiz, okay? But now you know what's expected of you. So if you miss one day, or 10 days, it's your job to stay on top of the notes in the videos. One student wrote me a note saying that there's a glare on the screen. Guys, you've got to fix that. You've got to move or talk to Miss Carol or watch the videos again at night, although I definitely don't recommend that. That's too much work. But make sure you're sitting where you can take notes. You are responsible for the notes I give in class. But the good news is I only counted it if you made a 100, okay? All right, moving on. Now, let's go over your quiz for today. So at this time, Miss Carol, please pause the video, pass out the quizzes, and let's go over them at this time. Okay, no fill in the blanks on this quiz. Number 1, choose the next figure in the pattern, okay? So look at the ones I've given you and then choose A, B, C, or D, or E. Number 2, you're finding the length of a segment, okay? Segment AC, and I've given you some information about different parts of that segment. Can I please make a recommendation to you? For number 2, draw the actual segment and put the points on it so that you can see it, okay? Notice it says on number 2, B is between A and C, okay? Number 3, J is between H and K. Draw that segment. Draw it and then write things on it, okay? Now here's some algebra. Notice I've given you some algebra expressions, so you have to set up some equations or an equation and solve to find the value of W, okay? On number 4, I want you to find the measure of angle BDC. Now notice that 150 degrees is the measure of the whole angle ADC, okay? That's the entire angle. 150 is the measure of the entire angle ADC, okay? And I want you to find the measure of angle BDC. Number 5, if I were you, I would draw the angle PQR, okay? And you know what? I think that's a typo. Hold on one second, please. Okay, students, number 5, there's a typo. Here's what it should say, so please listen carefully, okay? Let Q be the interior of angle POR. Now your quiz says the interior of PQR, and that's a typo. So number 5 should read, let Q be in the interior of angle POR, okay? And then solve for S, all right? It's a tough quiz. I know that. Work hard, do the best you can, okay? And that's all for today, guys. Please get to work on your quizzes and notes. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any questions at all.